In this video, we're going to learn how to automatically generate an audio description script using the desktop version of Closed Caption Creator. Let's start by creating a new project. I will select a video from my local hard drive and click Create Project. Next, go to the AI Tools menu and select Automatic AD. This will open the Automatic AD job form. Select a dialog source. This can either be a caption file you've imported, or you can have the system automatically transcribe your media. Choose an LLM provider and set your script settings. You may have to play with these over time to get a good sense of what works for your content. I'll use the defaults. The last step is to provide context to the LLM model. Provide a description of the content, list any characters, and add any additional context you want regarding the tone of the script. An estimated cost will be displayed near the bottom of the screen. Click the Submit AD Job button when you are ready. Once the job submissions process is completed, the audio description import dashboard will appear. Here you can monitor the progress of your job. Wait for the job to complete and then select the job and click Import. 3 new event groups will be added to your project: a dialogue group, shot change group, and your AD script group. At this point, I can assign a voice to my events and render them using the Render All Audio option in the AI Tools menu. This may take a moment as it renders your events in batches. Once rendering is complete, you can review and edit the script as you like.
Sintel follows the curving footprints toward 2 crates, leaning into the snow with her staff. Sintel trudges through blowing mist, staff clutched tight, scanning the white pass as jagged ice towers rise around her and distant shapes dot the ridges. Sintel grapples with the bald attacker in the mist, twisting free as he lunges with a dagger. They strain against her staff beside the rock wall.
To learn more about Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com and subscribe to our channel on YouTube.